What's up YouTube? Pat the Car Guy here from OregonCarSource.com, coming at you today with another video about the beautiful car behind me, our first ever 2023 Sequoia Capstone. You gotta forgive me, this is my first video on one of these. Wasn't expecting to see it on the lot yet, and of course it's pre-sold, but I have been to training on this, but still a lot to know when a new model comes out. So, you know, if I missed something, feel free to throw it in the comments. There's always more videos coming, and I always strive to improve and cover more in the next video. Most of my content right now, I'm creating new content when we have new vehicles for sale. So this is kind of a rare one because, you know, we won't really have these sitting for sale. Right now I do have some Highlanders for sale, so if you're in the market for one of those, please hit me up. But let's get into this one. This one is a Capstone. So Capstone is the new highest trim available on Sequoia and Tundra models. This one is in beautiful supersonic red, and no optional equipment besides all other floor mats. MSRP on it is coming out at $80,678. "21-inch alloy wheels." Sorry, 22-inch mud and snow rated alloy wheels. This has got the iForce Max hybrid twin turbo V6. You know it's a hybrid when you see the blue on the Toyota emblem. Cameras all the way around, as well as Toyota Safety Sense, LED headlights, parking sensors all the way around. You got power folding mirrors with cameras underneath the side view mirrors. Gonna have that beautiful first ever on a Sequoia panoramic moonroof. We've got a foot activated lift gate. Oh, that's cool. Sequential turn signals as well. Built-in inverter back here. Seating for 7 with the captain's chairs, middle row. Gonna have tow package as well. It's just hidden on this one like a Tahoe or Suburban, Escalade, etc. Lots of room in this middle row. Really easy access to that third row. Another built-in inverter. We've got heated seats for the second row, as well as ventilated seats for the second row. Fast chargers for USBs. Of course, it's 3-zone climate control. Might even be more, I'm not sure. All your power options: power windows, power door locks, power folding mirrors, memory seating, all your power adjustments for the seat, power adjustable steering wheel. Of course, we got a push button start, heated steering wheel, huge display, backup camera, surround view cameras, wireless charging port, cup holders, huge center console. Here's your 4-wheel drive select, tow haul mode, camera mode, digital rear view mirror. Let's take a look at this moonroof. What a beautiful rig. This one is pre-sold, so I'm not going to spend a ton more time in it right now, but I just wanted to get some fresh content out there, especially because this is my first time seeing the 2023 Sequoia in person. I'm definitely impressed. Looks beautiful. I'm sure it drives great. I'm not going to take it for a drive because again, this vehicle does belong to one of our clients here. If you're in the market for a new Toyota, please look me up. Give me a call, send me a text, 503-875-5938, or you can also reach me through my website or socials at Oregon Car Source. That's OregonCarSource.com, or on Instagram and Facebook at Oregon Car Source. Thanks, have a great day.